Hello students, I am Vandana Shukla, computer educator at Deep Darshan Vidya Sankul. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Our today's topic is more on Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system for personal computer made by Microsoft that will be launched in October 2009. Windows 7 replaced Windows Vista as Microsoft's newest operating system. It was previously codenamed Blackcomb and Vienna. Windows 7 is better than Windows Vista in terms of user friendliness, stability, and functionality. Windows has many utility programs for day-to-day application and entertainment. These additional programs are known as accessories. For example, calculator, notepad, Windows Media Player, sound recorder, system tools, etc. So we will see what is Windows Media Player. Microsoft Windows Media Player is used to play and organize digital media files on a computer and internet. We can listen to radio station from all over the world, play and copy CD or DVD, create our own CD or DAD, and copy music and video to portable devices. Windows Media Player is a media player and a media library application developed by Microsoft that is used for playing audio. It is also allow you to watch videos, view images and system videos on computers using Microsoft operating system. It is a software where you can listen to and or download music. You can also burn CDs with this program. While listening to music, you can make a playlist and save it to your computer. It allows you to synchronize content with a digital audio player or other mobile devices. Rip CD to your computer. What is ripping process? So we will see in this unit. We can copy songs from our favorite music CD or DVD onto our computer with Windows Media Player. When we rip music, we are copying songs from a CD to a computer. After the songs have been copied to our computer, we can use Windows Media Player to play and organize the song, create playlist and copy music to a portable device. Let us see steps for copying a CD. Click on Start button, point to all program and then click on Windows Media Player. Insert an audio CD in the CD drive. You will see the list of songs present on your CD in the Windows Media Player. Clear the checkbox next to any song that you do not want to rip. You can use the checkbox at the top of the list to select or clear all the checkbox at once. When you are done with selection process, click on Rip CD. The ripping process will start and you can see the rip status of individual song. To stop the ripping process at any point, click on Stop Rip button. Click on Rip Setting button to change the format, audio quality of ripped music files, or you can keep the default window media format setting. The songs are ripped to the window media player library. After the songs have been ripped, go to the library to play them. Copying data to CD, that is known as burning a CD. Saving important information on a CD or DVD is as easy as saving on a hard disk. By selecting a folder of software, photos, or even music and dragging it to the CD or DVD icon in the computer folder, you can create your own CD or DVD. For this, follow the following step. Insert a CD into your computer. The autoplay dialog box appears. Click on Burn File to Disk using Window Explorer option. Burn a disk dialog box appears. Mention the CD name in disk title text box and click on Next. An empty disk folder opens. Drag the files that you want to burn into this folder. On the toolbar, click on Burn to Disk button and then follow the steps in the wizard. This way you can copy a CD into your computer. Displaying two windows at a time. We can display two application windows side by side. Here, for example, open MS Word and Paint window. This time the Paint window is active. Now right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Click on the Show Window Side by Side option from the shortcut menu. Both the application window will be displayed side by side. Exploring pictures. In picture folder, we can store digital photos, images and graphics file. To open this folder, click on Start button and then select the picture option from the right pane. The picture folder will open. By default, the pictures are displayed as thumbnail. Click on a picture to select it and double click on it to preview. We get various buttons at the bottom of the picture that help us to manage the pictures. For example, view the previous or next image, magnify or reduce the size of the image, rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise, etc. You will find various buttons on the bar above the thumbnails providing functions like to view pictures as a slideshow, burn the pictures to CD, share the pictures with a person or network, etc. We can also view our picture as icons of various sizes in Pictures folder or any folder customized as a pictures folder. To do so, click on the drop down arrow located next to the Change Your View button on the bar above thumbnail. What is disk cleanup? If you want to remove the number of unnecessary files from your hard disk to free up disk space and to help your computer run faster, use disk cleanup. It removes the temporary internal and downloaded program files, empties the recycle bin files and other items that are not being used for a long time. Disk cleanup is a window maintenance utility. This utility designed to free up disk space on a computer hard drive. The way disk cleanup works is by scanning and analyzing the hard drive to see if there are files that are no longer needed. Disk cleanup then removes the unnecessary files and free up more available space. Disk cleanup in window maintenance utility, which is specially designed to free up the disk space on a computer hard drive and accelerate PC performance. It was first introduced by Windows 98 and available in all subsequent versions of Windows. Steps to perform disk cleanup. Click on Start All Program, Accessories, System Tool, then Disk Cleanup. A dialog box will open asking you to select the drive. Now click the drop down arrow and select the drive that you want to clean up and then click OK. The utility will search and display the unnecessary files that can safely be deleted. Select the file that you want to remove and then click on OK. In what way disk cleanup program perform? Disk cleanup works by scanning and analyzing the hard drive to check the files which are no longer required. A system cleaner then removes unimportant, temporary and broken files from the system drive and frees up the available space. Touchscreen. No more mouse. With a touch-sensitive screen and Windows 7, we can use our fingers to browse online, flip through photo album and shuffle files and folders. Using touchscreen, we can even finger paint in the Paint software. Searching made easier. Using Windows 7, we can quickly search more things in more places in our computer. Simply type some text in the Start menu search box and click on See More Result option above the search box. You will immediately see a list of relevant documents, pictures, music, and email on your PC. The search results are further grouped by category and even contain highlighted keywords and text snips to make them easier to scan. Jump List. Jump List is a new feature in Windows 7 which takes us right to the documents, pictures, songs, or website that we use frequently. To open a jump list, just right click on a program icon on the Windows 7 taskbar. When we see in a jump list depend entirely on the program. The jump list for Internet Explorer 8 shows frequently viewed website. Window Media Player shows commonly played tunes and MS Word list recently used documents. Watching Internet TV using Window Media Center. Watching TV, movies, and other videos content on our PC is easier than ever. With a cable connection, we can watch shows using Window Media Center. Window Mobile. Window Mobile software powers advanced, easy to use device that allows the user to send and receive email, browse the internet, and hundreds of applications available to extend the platform. Window Mobile works differently depending upon place, time, and nature of work. Windows 7 taskbar. The Windows 7 taskbar is easier to see, more flexible, and more powerful. We can pin our favorite programs anywhere on the taskbar for easy access. We can preview the thumbnail of the open files or program by pointing to their icon on the taskbar. We can also move the mouse over a thumbnail to preview its full screen. We can even close window right from the thumbnail preview. The new Pick feature allows you to peer past all your open windows straight to the Windows desktop. Just point to the right edge of the taskbar. You will find the open window instantly turn transparent and the desktop of the computer is visible. I hope you are able to understand about more on Windows 7. Thank you. Happy learning.